Hey y'all, about to get going on some irrigation here. Before I get carried away and fire the pump up and have water spraying everywhere, I'm gonna put these drain plugs back in my sand filters. I always pull these things out to winterize it. It's easy to forget. Alright, let's see what we got here with this irrigation pond. It ain't quite been 24 hours yet, but there's a bunch of water in this dude right here. She ain't quite to the point of running through the pipe yet, but we'll be able to pull water out of this for a long time without pulling it down. Cool. Let's get this pump set up and get some water running right quick. Better pay attention to how much more the water's going to come up. Water's going to rise another 18 inches. So I just need to pay attention to that for where I put my pump at. Alright, see if we can get this thing primed. Sometimes it'll prime on a tablespoon of water, and sometimes it'll make a preacher cuss trying to get it to prime. Now the next big question is, will it crank? It's a predator. Well, it's really inconvenient not living on the farm, because I gotta drive 30 minutes to get something to work with, to work on this pump, because I ain't got nothing. I'll be back. Alright, well, I'm back, and I got a surprise. Yep, that's right, brand new. Now, let me say this, I hate this buy it, run it till it breaks, throw it away culture that we have now. And I am very much against that. I like things that can be repaired and fixed. But the thing is, that pump right there has got probably 4,000 or 5,000 hours on it. We have had it for over 2 years, so 2.5 seasons worth. And this pump will run for, depending on the amount of crop that we've got in the field, this pump will run 8 to 16 hours a day, because we run water in different places, and we pretty much once a week, especially if we hit a real dry spell, we don't let it cut off. We'll come down here and fill it up with gas before it ever cuts off, and it just runs and runs and runs. And I'm a big fan of Predator, but this one was getting a little bit hard to start. The girl that works for us in the store, I need to have a pump that she can come down here and reliably start, and me not have to worry about it while I'm at work. Well, the pump won't run. That's a pretty big problem. So I'm going to fix this one. I'm gonna keep it for a backup. I'm thinking about putting like a 5-gallon gas tank on top of it. But this one's gonna be fixed and kept. I'm not throwing it away. But for $219, I can have a brand new one. That's gonna be easy to start. So that's what we're fixing to do. Let's get some oil in this thing and get her going. Got that brand new Chinese equipment smell. This thing has oil in it. Just kidding. Well, the last few predators I've had have crunk on the first pull. Let's see if this one will. Moving some water now. Thing looks good here at the sand filters. Stopped up here to check on them. And the reason the pressure's so low on everything is because the system's not completely full yet. The system, you have to fill all the hoses through the 3.5-4 acres that this is trying to water. You have to get all your lay flat, all your oval hose, and all your drip tape full of water before you ever start building pressure. Somebody forgot to put some plugs in. All right, we are getting water everywhere. Good pressure all the way to the end of the lines. Ain't that a pretty sight? And my GoPro is dying on me. So I guess this is it for today. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the content here, and leave a comment, ask a question. Try to get back to all the comments, and I will see you next time.